Stop.
I know you wrote it down, but I do have to ask you.
A civilian physically restrains a violent suspect at one of the busiest airports in the world. Was that a lawful act or a crime itself?
What's going on?
Bunch of CBP officers paddling right now.
How you doing, sir?
You already got it?
Yeah, we got him.
All right, man. So what happened?
Talk to him. This guy wouldn't know the most.
I was walking down and apparently he was sitting right across from this old lady and he just jumped on her and started dragging her. And like dragging her. I don't know if he was getting her, trying to get something or what, but I didn't see anybody doing anything, so I grabbed him in the headlock and took him down.
Okay. All right.
She's still out there?
Yeah, she's sitting right there.
Okay.
No, she's just startled, just like I am. So.
It's good if you want to go talk to that guy.
Yeah, okay. I'll go talk to her. I'll get a witness statement and get one from you also. I'm going to send another unit so we can grab him, okay? All right, man. I'll just go around. I don't want to hear that.
No security guard! No security guard!
2704, go ahead.
2704. So we have a guy, he may be 24. He apparently attacked another passenger out here. The officers are holding him down. Can I get another unit out here to help me out? I'm going to take some witness statements. Yeah, I know.
I copy. Be advised, 2708 is en route.
Where's the young lady? All right. I just want you to stay right here. I'm going to run to the car. I'll be right back. I'm going to get you. Are you okay? You need any medical attention? No? Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get your witness statement, okay?
Be advised, the officer that's holding him down.
And I'll be right back. Just stay right here. All right. 2704. And be advised, it's actually A Alpha 20.
I copy.
Well, which officer's holding this guy down?
Look like some air marshal.
Security guard! September 17th is my birthday! You're gonna kill me. I know you guys are gonna kill me.
Hey, I still got him coming. He keeps saying, you know, he keeps giving me an ETA of he's almost here.
Okay.
So just hold up. Who are y'all working for? Because they want to know.
CBP.
See who?
CBP. Customs.
Gotcha. 2704, ready up.
What am I being held for?
Go ahead.
What are you holding me for?
2704. The guys who are actually holding them, is, they work for customs.
Then why you have me like this?
I copy.
Then let me go. Yes, let me go.
All right. You're a customs officer also, or you're just
No, sir.
Passive. Okay. Hey, they're right around the corner, man. I got a unit coming.
Okay.
2704, copy, working customs. Do they have the guy detained in the situation under control?
Yeah, everything is fine. Just waiting on the unit to put them in the car.
Ready to raise the customs agent so they can bring the customs
Right
car
here
around?
at the gateway, on the concourse. Yeah. So just waiting on 8 to get here. All right. Thank you.
That happened pretty fast.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Well, I know you wrote it down, but I do have to ask you to tell me your story again. Okay, there you are, sir. You can write yours down. And don't forget to fill out the top part. Go ahead. And I am recording, so go ahead.
Well, I was standing at that kiosk there, filling out, working on the computer.
Yes, ma'am.
And all of a sudden, some guy came up and I had my bag over my arm like this, and he grabbed a hold of it and like started trying to take it away from me.
Okay. So try to take it back.
Yeah, and so I guess, and he's pulling, and my trying to hang on, I ended up on the floor until that gentleman was kind enough. There was a few guys that tried to help, and he finally subdued them.
Yeah.
You know, got him down. So.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. All right, make sure I get all of his information, but I definitely want to get yours, make sure I'm looking.
He held on to it because when he came, she was here, and he held her all the way over there.
Oh, yeah?
He was holding her
her too, huh?
until he
So
saw.
I only saw, I was walking that way, and all I saw was somebody getting, I thought it was like a kid running, you know how kids run around?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. And then I saw a woman on the floor, so I just ran and grabbed her.
What's up,
going
man?
on? You
Hey. Yeah, gotta get that guy in the car. My car's out here. I don't know where you parked. You parked like 820.
Yeah.
Just take him to the precinct.
Okay.
That's it. I'm still getting a witness statement from this guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give you a hand then. I'm sorry.
Kind of hard, understand? Okay.
He's intoxicated.
So. He's got a little blood on his finger. The aliens came inside him. They got inside of me on this plane. They came inside of me.
You gonna walk downstairs without a problem?
Depending who's arresting me. Are you the police officer?
Yes.
Okay. You have
Yes.
no problem at all.
Go ahead and stand up. Go ahead and stand up. Let's switch our cuss with whoever's cuss.
Yeah. Sorry about that, guys.
Hey, no,
We appreciate it, Raphael.
Thanks for being good with us, all right?
Okay.
All right.
Radio was acting up. 2704, that's affirmative. It was a physical attack. He initially tried to grab her bag and then he proceeded to drag her across the floor.
I got
He was strong.
Strong as
Yeah.
that big old dude, but he was wrestling that big dude, man. That dude, 260, 70 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
He held on to the lady because the lady would have got crushed. He was holding on to her, holding on to her.
Just hurt, son. Pulling her back.
Yeah, because that fucking guy would have beat the shit out of that lady. He would have probably hurt her bad.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do about the same.
Oh my goodness, brother. I don't know what to say about it, but it's gonna be a quarterback situation. This fellow's out, so when I tell DOA who helped out, make sure I mention you. All right, so name, date of birth, phone number, who you. Hey, I'm about to call you. Huh? He's gonna be arrested. Okay. I'm gonna arrest him.
What you got?
I could get him from public intoxication. Also, he tried to take the lady's bag. You know what I'm saying?
Where's the victim?
She's gone now. I already got her information and everything.
Me and Rab gonna take him to the precinct.
Take to the precinct. I'm gonna be right there as soon as I
He
get
ain't
this.
got no other bags in there.
I don't know exactly what he had with him. Thank you. Appreciate you, man. All right.
I copy.
You got any bags up there?
Yes.
Okay.
Want to read my rights?
Nah, not yet.
My
Let's have a seat right now. Just tell me what happened real quick.
My rights?
You don't want to talk?
No, I just want you to read my rights first.
No, I don't need to. I'm not going to ask you. I just want to know what
technically, you do need to read my rights.
Okay, all right.
Well, you talk to me.
No, no, I'm not going to talk to you.
Yeah, I was bringing it. Hey,
He got a bag? You got any bags?
yeah, no, this was it, all that he had out here. Here's the other thing we didn't realize till the red coat came over to us. He stated, I have a bomb, and he pushed several other, a passenger and a pilot. And everything. I mean, we know it's a little loco and stuff, so, you know, just to let you know.
So where's the victim at?
The victim, the pilot, and the passenger went on. They went on, I guess, about their business. The lady that came
So
to
what did he
me
do to the
was a
victim?
red coat. Huh?
What did he do to the victim?
I don't know if he had the victim. The guys that were on him was U.S. Custom guys. Those guys that were on him, they were U.S. Custom. Did you see what he did to the victim? No.
I heard help.
Help. And she told me what had happened. He come in on a Las Vegas flight, and the other one was supposed to go out on the flight here. The red coat. I've got her name and information if you want it. She came around, brought him around here, and that's when he started talking out of his head, saying there was aliens on my wing of the plane. I've got a bomb. And then he said, if I touch you, that's assault.
And then he wouldn't touch her.
So you talked to this officer about that?
No,
that?
I hadn't
yeah,
talked
you
to
might
him.
want to talk to him.
You
He's
tell
going to be the
him.
primary.
Is he going to be the primary?
Yeah.
I'll let him know.
All right.
And that's just
must have just you bleeding from the nose. You want medical attention?
2703.
You do? Yes. Okay. All right.
I'm not going to be any more offensive.
That's fine. That's fine. I got you. I'm turn on fire radio.
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
A bomb threat, an assault on an elderly woman, an attack on a pilot. 3 separate bodies of law are about to collide in the same incident. Georgia Code Section 17460. A private person may arrest an offender when a felony is committed in their immediate presence or knowledge. Georgia Code Section 16840 defines robbery as taking property from a person by force with intent to steal, all elements confirmed by the victim. Georgia Code Section 16523.1 adds battery. Intentional physical harm is established at the moment the victim was dragged to the floor. Georgia Code Section 16321 authorizes force to defend a third party against imminent unlawful force. The civilian intervention is fully protected. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable person on scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. Federal law. Title 49 United States Code Section 46,507. Conveying a bomb threat at a commercial airport carries up to 5 years federal imprisonment. Title 49 United States Code Section 46,504. Interference with flight crew members is a separate federal offense, triggered by the assault on the pilot. Miranda v. Arizona 1966. Any custodial interrogation requires prior rights advisement. The patrol vehicle conversation directly implicates this rule. Rhode Island v. Innis 1980. Interrogation includes any question reasonably likely to produce an incriminating response. Casual framing does not change that. Lesson: once a suspect is secured in custody, Miranda must be administered before any questioning begins, regardless of how informal the exchange sounds. Under federal law, voluntary intoxication reduces but does not eliminate criminal intent. The knowledge element of Section 46,507 still applies. Lesson: the suspect distinguished between federal agents and city police, then complied selectively. Courts treat this as evidence of functional awareness. Functional awareness during an incident is a primary factor in competency to stand trial evaluations under both federal and Georgia state procedure. 3 legal systems converge here: Georgia Criminal Code, Federal Aviation Law, and constitutional due process protections. Which jurisdiction controls? If the suspect genuinely believed a threat was real, does that negate the knowledge element required for a federal bomb threat conviction under Section 46,507? And if the Good Samaritan had caused serious injury during the takedown, would Georgia law have protected him from criminal or civil liability? These are not hypotheticals. They are active legal questions this case forces courts to answer. The outcome may surprise you.